Hi everyone, I'm Divya and welcome to my channel The Food Mile. I learned how to make molasses while making Christmas cakes. Molasses give a unique, sharp, enhancing flavor and is a very useful ingredient for baking. So let's begin. In a thick bottom pan, let's take 4 tablespoons of granulated sugar. Keeping the flame in between medium and high, we are going to caramelize the sugar. Once it's completely caramelized, add equal quantities of jaggery, that is 4 tablespoons. Keep stirring continuously. The color starts changing. When it turns dark brown, switch off the flame and keep stirring. Due to heat, the color will change more toward the black side. Let it cool completely. You will see it has become hard. We are going to cook it again with a cup of water. Keeping the flame medium, cook until it dissolves and starts boiling. Boil it for a minute and switch off the flame. It will become thicker when it cools down. This quantity will give you around 4 to 5 tablespoons of molasses. You can make them in bigger quantities too and store. Hope you like this video. Make them and use in your baking. Do share your feedback. Thank you. Take care. Bye.